All right, we're at the Seoul Hangang Light Festival. We're gonna check out the laser art. It's gonna be super cool. Let's go check it out. But before we check out lasers, it's time for a hot baked sweet potato. Love these. This is like a cool place to have a picnic. Might have been a good place to bring a cooler full of brouhahas. Pretty weird.
Good? You like it?
I do. No. This is the Seoul My Soul gift shop. Let's go see what they got inside there. Ooh, pins. These are hard to get in Korea. They never have them.
We're gonna get it.
Yeah, let's get this one.
Such a cute bag. Oh my soul.
Yeah,
I'm a little bit chilly, by the way. It's windy.
it's a little chilly, but can't argue with the bunigi. Good atmosphere, good vibes. Sound of the water. Real nice.
Good snack.
Good snack. Can't argue with that. Yeouido is kind of like the Korean Wall Street. Big financial district, very nice.
Real fancy.
I don't know. Overall, the Laser Light Festival has been a little bit underwhelming, but this is pretty freaky deaky weirdo stuff. I have to admit, I do like this. This is pretty wild. Yeah. Pink Floyd-esque for sure. Well, I think that's it for tonight. We're gonna call it a day. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.
Adventure.
Bye-bye.